consideration to stealth technology? Because the new ships are so different because of stealth.
Yeah. I mean, they were still trying to work on all that back then, though. I mean, so it's kind of hard to hide something so large like this.
One of those guys
Anybody who wants to sit and have hot press buns or snakes, that's right
was
here.
liberated. They put him right behind. He's the skinny guy. Right?
On April 11th, a low-flying Kamikaze Zero, although fired upon, crashed on Missouri's starboard side, just below her main deck level. The starboard wing of the plane was thrown far forward, starting a gasoline fire. The battleship suffered only superficial damage, and the fire was brought quickly under control. The remains of the pilot were recovered on board the ship just aft of one of the gun tubs. Although crewmen wanted to hose the remains over the side, Captain Callahan decided that the young Japanese pilot had done his job to the best of his ability and with honor, so he should be given a military funeral. The following day, he was buried at sea with military honors. This is the plaque commemorating the surrender of Japan to end World War II. Missouri was listed on the National Register of Historic Places for hosting the signing of the instrument of Japanese surrender that ended World War II.